This class is about green screen in Adobe Premiere Pro. How can we remove a green screen in Adobe Premiere Pro? To remove a green screen, we can use the Ultra Key effect. The Ultra Key effect uses chroma keying to isolate a specific color range and make it transparent, allowing us to replace the background with another video or image. First of all, we have to use the effect workspace. So click on the effects workspace and hold a second so that this screen changes into a new screen. Look at this screen. This is effect workspace. So there is a effect and this is program sequence. So we select a video on timeline. First of all, enlarge this section and there is a green screen video. So drag and drop this video into the timeline. Look at this video, play the video. So first of all, we go to the effects panel and here we write Ultra. So look at this Ultra key in the keying section. So this is the Ultra key. Use it. So when we apply this key, you can look at this effects control panel. There is a option of Ultra key. This is Ultra key. Select this and you can see output, composite, default, setting, and this is a key color. Look at, there is a small toggle animation for key color. We want to remove the green screen. Look at the next option, matte generation, matte cleanup. Now we want to change this color screen. So choose this option where we can see this small icon of stopwatch. Select color. Now select this color. Green. We have to choose the same color as in the video. So select the green color. And now look at this. There we can see a black color in the video. This is very magical transformation you are seeing now. So look at the color. Color has been changed into black. Now, what is the next step? The next step will be when we have to choose another video, and this video we use as a background of that video. So look at the change in the background, and when you play this, now look at this. What a beautiful change it is. It's a very simple way from where you can easily change the background of your video and images. So by following these steps, we can effectively remove the green screen from our footage and play footage and videos and replace it with any desired background in Adobe Premiere Pro. So I hope you can easily understand